How then, our verse for today is in Romans chapter 10, verses 14 to 18. How then can they call on,
Nothing.
how then can they call on the one they have not believed in? And how can they believe in the one on whom they have not heard? And how can they hear without someone preaching to them? And how can anyone preach unless they are sent? As it is written, how beautiful are the feet of those who bring good news. But not all the Israelites accepted the good news. For Isaiah says, Lord, who has believed our message? Consequently, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ. But I ask, did they not hear? Of course they did. Their voice has gone out into all the earth, their words to the ends of the world. That's our verse for today. What did you guys get?
Bawal daw tayo mag-request kay Lord kapag hindi daw natin siya, hindi daw tayo nagbibili sa Kanya.
Bawal mag-request pag hindi ka nagbibilieve.
Bakit?
Mahirap, parang imposibleng mangyari kapag hindi ka naniniwala. Feeling ko mas ganun pa.
Yeah.
Ako naman, hindi mo kailangan makita, marinig si Lord or Jesus ng personal. Alam mo yun, kung talagang ang belief mo is 100% at naniniwala ka na lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa'yo na mabuti is galing sa Kanya is, alam mo yun, sapat na yun. Lagi mo isipin na galing sa Kanya yun.
Game. Next, ate. Ako, sinasabi sa DBS ngayon na it is very important to always hear the word. No, papakinggan mo yung salita ng Diyos at napag-aaralan mo ang salita ng Diyos. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi sabi nga doon sa umpisang-umpisa, how can they call on the one they have not believed? And how can they believe in the one whom they have not heard? So, ibig sabihin, kung babasahin mo ang salita ng Panginoon, kung aaralin mo ang salita niya, that will give you a better understanding of who God is. And may experience mo siya through reading the Bible. Diba? And kapag ka na-experience mo siya, napakinggan mo ang mga salita ng Panginoon, ng kanyang mga pangako at ang kanyang mga mabuting nagawa, diba? Then, you will believe. And when you believe, that's the only time you pray. Kasi ikaw bang magpipray ka sa, Carlene, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Ikaw bang magpipray ka sa bato? Magpipray ka ba sa kahoy, Daddy?
No.
Magpipray ka ba sa puno, Charles?
No.
Magpipray ba ako sa bulaklak? Hindi. Magpipray ako kasi alam ko, pag nagpray ako, matutupad yung pinagpipray ko. May nakikinig sa akin. 'Di ba? That's when you pray to Jesus. That's when you pray to the Lord. Kasi,
Masyadong yung na yan, verse na yan.
ano?
Parang, paano mo paniniwalaan yung tao kung hindi pa nakikita? Paano mo
Hindi niya sinabing hindi mo nakikita.
heard?
Heard. Bakit pag
Naririnig.
naririnig?
Nakikita. Gano'n na rin yun.
Ang ibig sabihin ng Daddy, no. You can hear Jesus. You would know His Word. Kahit basahin mo lang yung Bible. Diba? And tatandaan mo that God can talk to you already if you have this relationship with the Lord. Or kapag gusto ka niyang kausapin. Diba? Pero how would you know? Kunwari, may bumulong sa'yo, si Jesus yon or angel yon, diba? May bumulong sa'yo. How would you know that it's Jesus kung wala kang relasyon sa Kanya? Eh, ang sinabi sa Bible, diba? The sheep of the Lord hears or recognize His voice.
Makes sense.
Diba? So, ibig sabihin nun, if you if aaralin mo yung salita ng Panginoon, you will listen to Him, you will hear His words, then you will start to believe in Him, and you will start to experience Him, and experience an intimate relationship with the Lord. And when you experience intimate relationship with the Lord, you cannot stop, or you cannot stop yourself from praying, especially if you are thankful, if you are in need of something, di ba? Maniniwala ka, kaya ka nagpipray sa Kanya kasi alam mong kaya niyang gawin yung mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin para sa sarili mo. Yung mga bagay na sa tingin mong imposible sa'yo, alam mong posible sa Kanya. Because marami kang nabasa sa Bible na nakagawa siya ng mga miraculous things, mga bagay na imposible pero nagawa niyang posible. Diba? Yun yung sinasabi ko. Kapag nakarinig ka ng kwento tungkol kay Jesus na may ginawa siyang miraculous things, mga imposibleng bagay na gawa niyang posible, pag nag-pray ka sa Kanya, hindi ka ba maniniwalang pwede niya rin gawin yun sa'yo? Diba? Eh, lahat naman tayo mahal ng Panginoon. Diba? So, it is very important that we always study the Word of God and also listen to it. Hindi lang basta naririnig, but also we should apply it in our life. Diba?
Finally.
Ate, meron ka bang nakuha man
So,
lang?
ibig sabihin, hindi ang taong walang relasyon talaga kay Lord is mga tao talagang hindi naniniwala. Like, kasi, paano sila magdadasal? Paano sila hihiling kung lagi silang, ay, hindi naman binibigay ni Lord to.
Wala silang intimate
Parang
relationship
ganun.
kay Lord pag
Yun.
ganun. Diba? Pero, kaya nga sinabi, diba, na paano may makakarinig kung walang nag-share ng salita ni Lord. Kaya napaka-importante na kung ikaw may relasyon ka sa Panginoon and you are listening to His Word, inaaral mo ang Kanyang salita, dapat i-share mo rin yun sa ibang tao. That's our the best today.